Good morning friends, today I am here with a fresh opportunity for you all, and this opportunity is for HLL Lifecare Limited, which is a government company, and it is also a mini Ratna company of a government which is under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So let's start. This video is for generally for those who have cleared CA, CMA and MBA. So if you have cleared all CA, CMA or MBA, then you are eligible for this job. I post the videos on regular job updates, so make sure that you like, share and subscribe the video and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any job update. So just let's start. Let me tell you about something about HLL. HLL is a government company and it is a mini Ratna company, and it is in the sector of pharma manufacturing and service. So it is also a company which exports pharma products and services to outside India. Also, it is a good company, and if you are eligible for this job, then you must definitely try and apply for this job. So let's start. This is I will share the link of this job posting in the description so that you can check there. So let's start. This the job posting is deputy manager FNA. Start date is 12th and end date is 26. So not many days are left for the ending of the application, so make sure if you are interested, so apply, go and apply just now. Their reference code is given and you don't have any relevance of it. Job title is deputy manager FNA. Here a brief description of companies given. HLL is a Government of India healthcare product manufacturing services company. It has its head office in Kerala, and it is under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It is a global leader and it has 7 manufacturing units and have presence in 115 countries. You can search more about this country on the Google. You will easily find it. So department is finance and accounts. Location is anywhere. So you will be posted anywhere in India if you are selected for this job. The job profile is given and they have given you must have what are the tasks, so what you need to do in this job if you are selected. So this is the job description. So you need to have knowledge of statutory provision of company law, direct tax, indirect tax law, contract management, costing. You must have idea of efficient and effective methods for tracking financial data, coordinate and execute a financial transaction, assist an audit process, create organized records, analyze financial information, prepare regular financial reports and assist in presentation of report, create and adhere to budgets, monthly closure and annual closure you need to do. So this is the brief outline of the job description, what you need to do if you are selected there. Then a competency is given. So if you are serious applicant for this job, then you must make sure that all the points which are given in the competency, you make sure you don't leave any unprepared, because these are the line items on which you will be tested if you are selected, if you want to be selected. So you must have idea of not idea you must have a full knowledge of statutory provision of company law, direct and indirect tax, contract management and costing and budgeting, interpersonal and time management skill, capability to handle and complete demanding tasks without errors or omission. So these are the basically the soft skills which they are asking for. Good analytical and problem solving skill, ability to evaluate financial, strategic and operational skill, if excellent and effective communication skills with a passion to learn, and productive in nature. So basically they have given two technical skills competency and others are soft skill competency. So requirement they have given is maximum age can be 40 years as on 1st May 2021. Scale of pay they have given a minimum CTC they have given is 7.9 lakhs, and if they have given a upper range also, like it can be 25 to 45,000 per month also. So this is the basic salary they are quoting 7.9, and it can also exceed that. Also they have given that education qualification, that CA or ICWA is essential. So if you are not a CA or not ICWA, then you are not eligible for this job. Also if you have done an MBA qualification with CA or ICWA, then they will definitely give you preference over the other candidates. Also they are asking that if you have a minimum post qualification experience in financial and account department of a reputed establishment, then only you can apply for this job. So if you are a fresher, then this job posting is not for you. You can check the other job posting which I regularly share on my channel. So candidates should have practical knowledge of Excel and PowerPoint. I think this is the most common point, and Excel and PowerPoint is the thing which every student should learn, and because it is the thing which is required in each and every job. And experience in SAP FICO would be an added advantage, although this is not necessary. But if you have uh, experience in SAP, then it will be added advantage. The positions is only three, so if you are serious to apply for this job, make sure that you are prepared very well. Also, they have given that STSC, OBC, PWD candidates will be available, and canvassing in any form will lead to disqualification. So this is a permanent or fixed type contract, and it is a full-time employment. So if you are interested for the job, I will tell you how to apply. So if I will share this link which is there in the description box, you can go and check there. Once you apply, open this link, you will get the description of this job, and here it is written apply. So if you will click on apply, then a new page will open, and here you need to register, and then you can apply for this job. Here a small option is given of register there. If you will click here, then you can register yourself for this portal. So here it is asking for basic details, your name, you need to give your email ID as a username and password. These things will be helpful afterwards, because after you register in this portal, then in order to log in, you need to save this user ID and password, your email ID and other things. If you will fill all the details and click here, then you will be registered in this portal, and then you will get an email communication for that company on your mail. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video, and make sure that you share with your friends so that they can also apply for this job and they have a job in their head. So please share this video, and since it's a COVID time, it would be better that if you share with each and all your friends.